In today's Tech Vlog News, we're talking about one of the most urgent threats emerging from the world of artificial intelligence zero-day AI attacks. Security experts warn that we may soon face a new era of cyber warfare where AI agents design and launch attacks so sophisticated that traditional defenses might not even detect them. So, what exactly is a zero-day attack? In cybersecurity, a zero-day attack exploits a vulnerability in software that the developer doesn't yet know about. The term zero-day means there are 0 days to fix it before hackers can strike. Traditionally, discovering these flaws took time, skill, and often luck. But with AI in the picture, the rules are changing. Artificial intelligence, especially when combined with large language models, can scan through code at lightning speed, searching for weak spots. It can test thousands of scenarios in minutes, automatically generating exploits. What used to take human hackers weeks or months could soon be done in hours by an AI agent. That's the nightmare experts are warning about. Think of it this way. A skilled human hacker is like a burglar trying to pick a lock. But an AI-powered hacker is like a swarm of robots trying every single lock on the block at once, without ever getting tired. The danger doesn't stop there. AI can personalize attacks in ways we've never seen before. Imagine phishing emails that aren't the usual clumsy scams, but perfectly crafted and tailored to your writing style, your contact, even your recent online id. An AI agent could generate convincing fake voices or video clips to trick employees into giving away passwords or wiring money. The line between real and fake is about to blur completely. This isn't science fiction, it's already starting. Security researchers have demonstrated AI systems that can automatically generate malware. Some companies are reporting early signs of AI-assisted cyber intrusions. And as AI models become more open and accessible, the risk only grows. So, how do we fight back? Experts point to 3 key defenses. First, stronger monitoring systems powered by AI themselves. If hackers are using AI, defenders will need AI too. That means machine learning models that can spot unusual behavior on a network faster than humans can. Second, faster patching and software updates. Companies need to close vulnerabilities quickly because the window between discovery and exploitation is shrinking. In an AI-powered threat landscape, delays are dangerous. And third, public awareness. Everyday users must become more cautious. If you think spotting fake emails is hard now, imagine when they're written by AI trained on your own communication style. That means double-checking requests, verifying identities, and being skeptical of anything that feels off. Governments are also stepping in. The US, Europe, and other regions are funding AI security research, and regulations may require companies to build more resilience into their products. But, as with most tech races, the attackers often move faster than the defenders. The rise of zero-day AI attacks highlights a bigger truth. Artificial intelligence is a double-edged sword. It can power breakthroughs in medicine, education, and business. But in the wrong hands, it becomes a powerful weapon. So the question is no longer if but when. Are our digital defenses ready for a world where hackers have AI sidekicks working 24/7? This is the challenge of the next decade. The AI revolution isn't just about productivity and creativity. It's about security, trust, and survival in a digital-first world. What do you think? Will AI make us safer, or will it unleash a new wave of cyber chaos? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on AI, coding, gadgets, and global tech news.